Another day, another install. Today we have a REMARK Axleback exhaust, which is going to go on the BRZ. This is only temporary. I'm not going to be using this for probably longer than a month, but I got it for a super steal, so I thought why not pick it up. So if you guys are interested when I take it off, hit me up. I'm gonna let this go for cheap. We're gonna put it on the BRZ, so I want to get this thing on the race ramps, which hopefully it should be fine. Kind of clean the garage a little bit, still need to clean it some more, but honestly I saw this on OfferUp, had to go pick it up. Marketplace demon, you know how I mean? Let's get the car on the race ramp. Hope that looked good, because I don't know. This should actually be a straightforward install. All you're gonna have is two 14s right there, exhaust hangers, 2 on each side, and it should be pretty easy. Two 14s, exhaust hangers, should come right out. Shouldn't really be hard at all. Got the OEM one out, as you can see right there. Again, straightforward install. 4 total hangers, 2 14mm bolts, comes right out. Should be easy work of putting the new one in, so I'll put this in and I'll see you guys in just a second. Literally the easiest install I've ever done. Got it on there and it looks pretty even to me. Let me see from the back. Yeah, pretty even. First try, without even trying. Put you guys on the tripod to see how it sounds. He told me that the loud start, the cold start is obnoxious, so. Oops. Sorry, neighbors. Sounds good. Did I do this? Oh no, I didn't even notice that. Oh, it's pretty tame. Jeez, that cold start is loud. Once it's quiet though, it's solid. Let's get it off the race ramps. Dude, I just started. Rolly gang, rolly gang. I just started the car up, and holy cow. It's freaking loud. I'm sure you guys can hear that. Let's take it for a little drive. It's actually not too bad. It definitely is louder than the Civic. But I feel like this motor is just louder than any car, really. Alignment's actually not too bad either. It sounds good. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a fan of it. It's just literally an Axleback, which at the end of the day, it's just a muffler delete, really. You're just taking out the big muffler that it has. But dude, it sounds good. That cold start was loud. But it's not too crazy. I'm a fan. Bro, even with the windows down, this thing sounds good. Oh my god. Yo, I'm a fan of this. I actually love this. What? And I did still want to get callus headers. You guys know me. I love callus. If you guys been watching me for a long time, you guys know all my cars have been callus. So this one's gonna be no different. And we're gonna go unequal length to get that Subi rumble. But yo, this sounds good. That cold start was loud. That might have been the loudest cold start I've ever heard in my life. Actually, I don't know how long this video is going to be. It's probably not going to be long, so I am going to make a two-parter to this. But dude, this sounds great. Let me know if you guys want to see sounds and clips. I'll probably make that a separate video, but dude, it sounds good. That cold start was crazy. I can't wait to hear that back on camera. And I wanted to start bringing this to work. I mean, I still am. Who's really going to tell me to not? But sorry, neighbors. Dude, this is crazy. Civic is good on. You're doing great, sweetie. You're doing great, sweetie. It happens, it happens. He's got it.
Yay!
Civic is gone, chat.
Good job.
You sad the Civic's gone?
Fuck no.
What?
Fuck no.
Alright, chat. Well, Civic is gone. We're taking the BRZ. Oh, bruh. I just closed the garage. We're gonna go play some pickleball. Bring y'all with us. A little pickleball action. First time playing. Taking the BRZ to go play some pickleballs. A little cold start for the boys. Alright, chat, we only got 10 minutes because we didn't reserve the court. I didn't know you had to do this. You have to go back.
Did I win?
Woo! Bang! One more like that. Bang! Bang! Woohoo! Woohoo! There you go. Oh. What are your thoughts on pickleball? I'm actually out of breath.
Yeah, same.
This place got packed pretty fast. Like I said, we had to move because we didn't reserve. I didn't know you had to reserve a court here. But I mean, it gets packed pretty fast. We got like what, maybe 15 minutes in? What time is it?
5.
Like 10 minutes in. Now it's gassed. Pickleball looks like it's gonna be fun. Like you guys saw, the Civic is gone. Sold it. Civic is gone. Sad life, sad life. Opens up more possibilities for the BRZ. Wheels? But yeah, yesterday was the first day back in the gym. Gotta get back in the gym, gotta get back in shape. Went to the gym yesterday, played a little bit of pickleball, so they got a little sweat in. Sweat is sweat. Tomorrow we'll probably come back here again and reserve a court this time. Is that how they warm up? That's what I should teach you how to do, huh? Like pickleball?
It's not on.
It is on.
Do I like it?
I grew up playing sports as a kid. She didn't. I played baseball growing up my whole life. While she was digging in her nose.
You're not wrong.